Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you run a WooCommerce store, you know that one of the best ways to increase your average order value is by bundling products together. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a fixed bundle using the BundlePress plugin. A fixed bundle is a curated collection of products sold together at a set price or discount. Think of it like a starter kit or a gift basket. It's incredibly easy to set up with BundlePress, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the BundlePress plugin installed and activated on your WooCommerce site. You can find it in the WordPress plugin repository. Once activated, look for the BundlePress icon in your main WordPress admin menu on the left side. Click on it to open your BundlePress dashboard. You can also get there by going to All Bundles under the BundlePress menu. Here, you'll see your main BundlePress dashboard. To create a new one, click the Create New Bundle button. BundlePress offers several powerful bundle types designed for different sales strategies, but today we are focusing on the fixed bundle. As the description says, this is perfect for a fixed product set with simple bundle pricing. Go ahead and click Select and Build on the fixed bundle card. Now we're inside the bundle builder. This interface is super intuitive and is built beautifully, focusing on ease of use. Let's start by giving our bundle a name like Ultimate Skincare Starter Kit and adding a short description. This is what your customers will see on the product page. Then, upload the images. This is critical. Upload a high-quality photo showing all the products together. Visuals sell the dream, so make sure it looks premium. Next, scroll down to the most important part, adding products to your bundle. Simply search for the standard WooCommerce products you want to include, select them, and add them to the list. You can even adjust the quantity for each item if you want the bundle to include, say, 2 of a specific product instead of 1. Now for the fun part, setting the price. BundlePress gives you full control over how your fixed bundle is priced. As you add products, you'll see the sum of all items automatically calculated, showing you what the products would be individually without any deals. Under the Bundle Discount section, you can choose how to entice your customers. You can offer no discount, but usually a bundle involves a deal to encourage the upsell. You can apply a percentage discount, a fixed amount discount, or, my favorite for fixed bundles, set price for entire bundle. This lets you set a specific, direct price for the entire package, totally overriding the individual product prices. For this tutorial, let's set a 15% discount. Once you're happy with your products and pricing, you can configure any additional display settings if needed, like your button text. Everything looks fantastic, so let's hit Save or Publish. Let's check out what our customers will see. Click to view the bundle on the front end. And there it is, a beautifully formatted fixed bundle block. The pricing is clearly displayed, showing the discount, and customers can add the entire bundle to their cart with a single click. It's totally mobile responsive too. That's it. In just a few minutes, we've created a profitable fixed bundle that looks gorgeous and is ready to boost our store's revenue. BundlePress makes it incredibly simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips. You can get BundlePress using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.